Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Lenovo Tab Plus 11.5 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section find display. Here we have to scroll and find eye protection mode, which is the name of the eye comfort or night mode in this device. So let's tap on this option. And here, before we will be able to customize it, we have to turn it on. So let's tap on this switcher. And as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or even amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. So with this switcher, we can change the intensity. By going to the left, you can make it cooler and it is almost invisible. And by going to the right, warmer, it's almost orange. And it's of course up to you which option is more comfortable for you simply. So you can manually turn on and off the eye protection mode by choosing the option none, but you can also schedule it so it will work automatically. You can turn it on at custom time, so you can freely choose the start time and the end time, or turn it or turn it from sunset to sunrise, and here your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is, I believe, location based. So this is how it works. If you want to, you can also have much faster access to this feature. Simply unroll the top bar. We have to unroll it fully to find proper icon in this list. So let's try to find it. And here we've got the eye protection mode. So let's simply tap on it to apply it and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.